Hello, my name is Theo Grelli, and today we'll be discussing single-point nucleic acid mutations. What is a single-point mutation? A single-point mutation is when a single nucleotide changes into a different nucleotide. For example, here in this GCU mRNA, the C base can mutate into an AU or G. If the nucleotide mutation is going from a purine into a purine or a pyrimidine mutating into the other pyrimidine, it's a transition, but if a purine mutates into a pyrimidine or vice versa, it's a transversion. There are 4 types of point mutations that we are going to review. Now look at the strand of mRNA. This will be our non-mutated strand. It translates into Met-Trp-Asn-Ala-Cys-Stop codon. Now then, what would happen if this C mutated into G, a transversion mutation? Well, now the mRNA translates into Met-Trp-Lys-Ala-Cys-Stop codon. It changed which amino acid the third codon is translated for. This change can affect how or what the protein does. This type of point mutation is called a missense mutation. Here is our non-mutated mRNA strand again. Now what would happen if this C in the 5th codon went through a transversion mutation and changed into an A? Well, the mRNA would now encode for Met-Trp-Asn-Ala-Stop codon. This new product is now missing an amino acid. This mutation of where an amino acid encoding codon mutates and now encodes for a stop is a nonsense mutation. For the next mutation, let's look at this C. What would change if it transitionally mutated into a U? Well, it actually wouldn't change the encoded protein. This is because multiple codons can encode for the same amino acid. This type of mutation is a silent mutation. For the final point mutation, let's see what happens when this U in the 6th codon transitionally mutates into a C. After this mutation occurs, the mRNA now doesn't have a stop codon. This can have many different effects in a cell, but mostly it isn't a good mutation. When a nucleotide in a stop codon mutates, and now the stop codon encodes for an amino acid, it's called a read-through mutation. And that's the 4 types of single point mutations.